everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a family group photo using Gemini AI even if you don't have a real photo together. This is perfect for reunions, memories, or just for fun. First, head over to Gemini AI's image editing or generation tool. Once you're inside, upload individual photos of each family member. Try to use clear images with similar lighting and angles. This helps the AI create a more natural final result. Next, write a simple but detailed prompt. The more specific you are, the better the outcome. Now, let Gemini AI process the images. In just a few seconds, it will generate a combined family photo that looks surprisingly real with consistent lighting, shadows, and even matching perspectives. If the result isn't perfect, don't worry. You can refine your prompt or regenerate the image until it looks right. You can also experiment with different backgrounds like a beach, a park, or even a studio-style portrait. Once you're happy with the result, you can take it one step further by enhancing the image. Upload your generated photo to HitPaw Online Photo Enhancer. It can automatically sharpen facial details, improve clarity, enhance colors, and even upscale the image to higher resolution like 4K or beyond. This is especially useful if the AI-generated image looks slightly soft or lacks detail. Finally, download your enhanced image. Now you've got a high-quality, realistic family photo created entirely with AI. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can create and enhance a complete family photo without ever taking one together. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.